this world knows Creator, and that He is Malik al-Mulk. But God gave this world and a woman to the man. He made a man rule this world. Like the first generation in this world, like Adam and Eve. Let me sing about it, yeah. Yeah. You know, sometime you happen to feel in a surprise world. Like a friend of mine I used to talk about. He had a hard time staying in this world. He was demoralizing. He was a construction engineer, Muhammad Abdurrahman, I know. Take care. Everything happens to you in this world. Just say, let it be the way. That's the way it had to be. That's the way it had to be. I mean, whether you're rich, whether you're poor, whether you're sick, whether you're healthy, whether you're good looking, whether you're ugly. I want to listen to the drummer to go with me. This is the man's road. This is the man's road, yeah. This is the man's road. This is the man's road, yeah. But it means sort of nothing, yeah, boy, without the woman I care. To take us off of the road, I drive a Mazda, my friend drives an Audi 100. Man made the train to carry the happy loads. To take us out of the dark. Man made the pot for the water, like Noah made the ark. This is the man's world. But it's been nothing, yeah, without woman like girl, Lord. And a baby little boy. Man made them happy, so happy, 'cause man made them toys. And after man makes everything, every little thing he can, don't you know that man? Don't you know the man? Don't you know the man can make everything that's old? Don't you know that man can make a Somali shilling the dollar more when the coin is around?
I buy you a Cadillac. You say you want to have a Ford. I take you to the Lido. You say you want to go to Goulet. I build you a beautiful house. You say waxaan doonayaa inaan dago buul qaran. I give you money. You say I want to be a millionaire. I say I want to marry you. You say anigu guurka waan ka xanaaqa. What in this world can I do for you? Shake it loose. Listen to the lead guitar now. Hassan Sharif is over. Take your time. Buddy, that's it. The man does everything, money, dollars, and everything. But he's gone to die.